Hey guys, so it is 8 o'clock and we are done for the day. I told you it'd be a long day. I can't wait to show you some footage from today's culinary adventures, culinary nutrition adventures. This is what clinical community nutrition looks like, and part of that is culinary nutrition. So we carved that out today. Let me tell you, the client was raving about the food in between each bite. It was just like, this is so good, and the flavor, and this and that, and literally I just prepared him a food as medicine meal, just typical things that I make at home. But we talked about flavor building and order of operations and how you cook the food, what order you put it in the pot, so that you can appreciate the nutritional value and flavor that comes with it. You know, just the timing and all that fun stuff. Very easy things to do when you know what you're doing. And once dinner was done, I said, why don't I go ahead and make your smoothie for tomorrow now? That way you have it and you can just get going in the morning. He's like, okay, that'd be great. Made this smoothie. I said, listen, I can pour you a glass and I can just, put this away. He was like, oh no, I'm gonna drink that tonight. Let me tell you, he was like, oh my gosh, this is amazing. Like, what is in here again? Again, using what he had, combining things. And this particular smoothie, guys, had an entire red bell pepper. Yes, you can put bell peppers in the smoothie. The only thing that was missing from the red bell pepper is the green stem. But otherwise, all the seeds, all of that was in the smoothie. Spinach, ginger, I know that's my superpower, right? A little over a half of a freshly squeezed lemon, and then the client had some frozen berries in the refrigerator. Blue, raspberry, black, and I think I saw some cherries in the bag. So we used that, and we used water and a little bit of shredded ice. And the protein powder that we made today, our protein powder consisted of chickpeas and chia seeds. And he also included a little over half of a large celery stalk in it as well. And he absolutely loved the flavor profile. And so those are just ways to not only increase antioxidant power, anti-inflammatory power, phytonutrients and chemicals. This is a way to eat whole plant foods. It's delicious. They restore joy in the kitchen, and he's very, very, very happy. So not only is his breakfast done for the remainder of the week, but also his dinner. And he loved the food prepared, and he can't wait to freeze it tomorrow in batches to have throughout the week according to his schedule. So listen, I'm excited. I wanted to share this journey with you. I know I love documenting when I come to Philadelphia because it's so interesting here coming home. But here's what I will say. Thank you for joining me. Have a great evening. I'm the Plant Based Nutritionista, here to inspire you to take your health back one meal at a time by eating more plants, moving your bodies, and of course, drinking plenty of water. Good night.